Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download the Turkish Airlines app on your smartphone. Turkish Airlines is the flag carrier of Turkey and flies to more than 120 countries. So whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Turkish Airlines app on your phone comes very handy to manage your travels. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Turkish Airlines. You'll see the Turkish Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Turkish Airlines flight ticket, which is developed by Turkish Airlines, so this is the official app. You can also check with the logo. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android device or a get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on open. You can read through the instructions or skip if you want to. From here, if you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. If not, you can become a member and create a new account. Or you can simply continue as guest. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Turkish Airlines app on your phone. Now take some time to explore its features. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.